Alright, YouTubers, here we go with another special review video for RoboUp. This is a Raccoon 2SE smart robotic AI lawnmower with no RTK antennas, no boundary wires to install, easy peasy push and play, and app features. This thing is super quiet, amazing technology, guys. So this is gonna be great for small lawns and no learning curves. Mows, recharges, and gets back to work by itself. So pretty much it's there. I mean, all you gotta do is click the link, order it now, and you'll be good to go. Like I said, Raccoon uses AI vision to recognize lawn and non-lawn areas. For most private gardens, no additional setup needed. For open lawns without clear borders, such as shared grass areas, optional ground stake or building fence can be used to define edges or restricted zones. So, like I said, it has everything you need. You don't have to worry about burying the wires. No digging. Just pop it in and you're good to go. Download the app. And like I said, I'll show you the full setup in about 30 seconds. So, definitely take advantage of the deals they got going on now and give them some backings. I do believe this is a Kickstarter project. So, but yeah, amazing technology, guys. Check them out. Now we're gonna go to unboxing part and the setup right about now. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Here it is, RoboUp Raccoon 2SE, and we're good to go.